There you go. Work it out. Remember your combination. Come on, come on. Uppercut first. Speed those hands up. There you go. Don't get tired on me. Good job, good job. Looking for good cardio. You got 2.5 minutes left. Come on, work it out. Don't get tired. Y'all slowing down. Work it out, little T. Good combo, good combo. Come on, Zoe, work, work, work. Good job, nice kick, little T. Come on, keep those hands up, you're almost there. We're almost done, finish strong. All right, give me 30 seconds left. Turn it up, go. Go hard as you can, we got 25 seconds. Good job, nice. 15 seconds, come on. Fast hands, turn it up. Attaboy, let's go. Go get it, Zori. 10 seconds left, let's go. Give me everything you got. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Good job.